Okay, we got a quick gun update. We got our dual pistols, which just need 3 more mags. We got our revolver here, which is doing pretty good. I finally got the top weighted, so I can actually see out the iron sights at night. And then of course we got this bad boy right here. I gotta make sure it still shoots with the laser on it. We got it ghetto as fuck, but you know how we gotta do it. Let's look at the reflections, look at all the shininess. It's perfect. Let's turn on the laser. Ooh. Bow, bow, bow.